Hello everybody, my name is Bill. This is Rust to Resurrection. Today is Solar Eclipse Day, and while I'm sitting here waiting for all that to happen, I thought I would talk to you about JB Weld. Why? Well, because I was just watching a good friend of mine's video where he used JB Weld to do a repair. And I got to thinking while I was watching his video, what is it about JB Weld that everybody uses it for something? So I thought, well, even I use JB Weld. So I thought, why don't I turn around and look up the story or the history of JB Weld and see what it is that makes this stuff so special. So, JB Weld, or the company, was founded in 1969 by Sam Bonham out of Sulphur Springs, Texas. Texas, everything is bigger in Texas, guys. JB Weld, or the company, specializes in epoxies. Now, if you follow my other channel, 6 Round Studio, you know that I have this affinity for epoxies. I use epoxies for a lot of the repairs that I do on gun stocks because epoxies are one of the better materials for putting things together and keeping them together. And one of the nice things about it is when those things are together, the epoxy doesn't creep, it doesn't move, it just stays where you put it. So that's an important feature of any epoxy. JB Weld is a 2-part adhesive that can bond various surfaces and withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a long way up there, guys. It's water resistant, petroleum and chemical resistant, acid resistant, resists shock, vibrations and temperature fluctuations. This stuff does everything. It does it all. JB Weld can be used as an adhesive, a laminate, a plug filler, a sealant, an electrical insulator, and when it's cured, JB Weld can be drilled, formed, ground, tapped, machined, sanded, and painted. This stuff is a miracle. It's a miracle chemical, guys. So here's the deal. I am really interested in the comments that you tell me how you've used JB Weld in the past. My own experience is years ago in my 1977 Ford F-250. I don't own that truck anymore. It's a long time ago. But my oil pan started to leak. Now, rather than going out and spending hundreds of dollars or all kinds of money for a new oil pan, I thought, I wonder if JB Weld would fix it. Well, it did. And that JB Weld held that oil in place in that pan for the rest of the time that I owned that truck, which I think was probably about another 10 or 12 years. So, JB Weld. This is not an advertisement. If you don't know them, I just thought it was an interesting subject because I watched my buddy use it in his video. Grant, that was a good video, by the way. Guys, tell me in the comment, do you use JB Weld? How have you used it? And have you been amazed by it? Guys, thank you for being here. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.